Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create smooth football video editing using CapCut. Okay, let's get into it guys. Before we start the editing, I'm going to show you the result. Okay, like this. And I'm going to show you how we can create this editing using CapCut. Alright, first of all, you need to prepare the photos and the videos that you want to edit. You can create a new project, and then I'm going to add this video as the opening, and I'm going to we can change the aspect ratio to 9:16, which is suitable for TikTok and Instagram reels. And then I'm going to zoom in like this to fit the screen. Then I'm going to add photos. I'm going to choose some photos. Oops. Okay, and click on add to import the photos, and then we're going to add effect. You can go to the effect and then select video effect, and for the first effect you can choose the flash effect. You can choose this flash slim. Okay, click on the check mark, and I'm going to apply it, and then we're going to apply the second effect. You're going to apply black flash 2. Okay, and then you're going to apply it to all your clips, and we're going to add audio. You can select audio and then select sounds, and for the audio guys, I'm going to extract audio from video. Okay, and then we can add beat mark so we can match the transition to the beat mark. You can choose auto generate to generate the beat mark automatically, and I'm going to choose light. Okay, done, and click on the check mark, and then you're going to match the cut with the beat mark. You can split and delete like this, and split delete until the rest of your clips. Okay, and then we're going to add transition using keyframe. You can add the first keyframe and the second keyframe like this, and then you're going to you're going to zoom in at the first keyframe like this, and then we're going to add grab. You can go to the grab and then choose flow 2. Okay, and you can repeat this step guys for all the clip. Okay, it will create something like this, and you can do it for all clips one by one like this, and then grab and choose flow 2. Okay, and then this is the result. Yeah, that's so cool. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create smooth football video editing using CapCut. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.